Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning market webcast. Okay, so look, we talked about if they could break out of the range, they need a higher high to open 29.50. Higher high opens 29.50. Bulls broke out of range, 29.50 open. Now we got 29.50 reached and broken above. New all-time highs in sight, and that's 67.75 on the September contract. Okay, so we traded as high as 64.5. We'll see if they can get up there this morning. So look, the 50 area was there. It held the pre-FOMC price, which is a big deal for us after Fed Day yesterday. You had a little bit of a push down to 15, but ultimately it holds that pre-FOMC price, and we head to the upside. First slowly and then rapidly into Globex. I'm always hesitant to give areas like 29.50 out because I feel sometimes people treat them like targets or places where they should exit trades. Not at all. We're along 28, and we took our runners this morning for a little bit over 30 handles, and we'll go ahead and see what we have this morning. But a lot of people that look at an area like 29.50 and say, oh, okay, well, we've got there. Let me get out of everything, and then I'll do you one better. We'll go ahead and reverse here. Look, there's nothing that happened in the area of 29.40 to 29.50 to suggest that we were going to come back down. The reason we do well and the reason we outperform is we stay with the trend of the market. We try not to overthink it. We try not to take trades simply because a number has been hit. Targets are a disaster. They will get you out of trades that you should stay in. They will get you into trades that you should not be in yet. That's my experience with targets, and that's why I don't really use them. So as we head into today, we have our proprietary moving average is at 60. We had some consolidation around 7 a.m. in the 57.58 area. I'll be interested to see if off the open that pushes back, and we'll see what the AD wants to do. So we're going to have a little bit of a gap here, and we'll have to see how that gap gets treated. But make no mistake, the bulls are in control, and the path to new all-time highs, which on the September contract is going to take a 68 print, is pretty clear. Now, if we get through this entire day and they can't get that done, then it's going to make me wonder a little bit about what they've got going. That is a discussion for tomorrow. For today, 56 needs to hold. Ideally, 60 holds. You make a higher high, and then you can stretch up into anywhere between, say, 73 and 77. Okay, we open in a few minutes, so I want to get this out. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook, and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.